Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at the impact of Storm Aurore, which hit France on October the 20th, 2021. The storm hit across northern France, including areas around Paris. Winds were measured at up to 175 kilometers per hour. High winds and flash flooding destroyed homes in coastal regions, and uprooted trees were seen across northern France. Power cuts were observed in many areas, with over 250,000 homes without electricity. Repair operations are underway throughout France, with buildings and transport systems damaged. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.